You're most welcome to our free online school, Skill Bridge Institute. This time around, we'll be discussing about task dependencies and network diagrams. Task dependencies talks about the relationship that exists between different tasks, and it also talks about the order of completion of those different tasks. An example, when you want to paint a wall, you depend on building a wall first. Task dependencies helps to organize tasks so that they should be that smooth working flow. Let's talk about types of task dependencies. Number one, finish to start. On that one, task B starts when task A finishes. For example, when you want to start editing a book, you are supposed to first finish writing the book. Type number two, start to start. This is where two different tasks are starting at the same time. For example, filming and audio recording is supposed to start at the same time. Another type, it is finish to finish. This is when two different tasks are finishing at the same time. An example, when proofreading has been finished, that means writing has also been finished. Another type, it is start to finish. This is where task B finishes after task A starts. An example we have on that one is a guard shift ends when the next shift starts. Let's talk about network diagrams. So this one, it is a chart which shows sequences of different tasks and how those particular tasks are depending on each other. So a network diagram has got a structure which has got nodes and arrows. So the nodes, they represent tasks, while the arrows, they talks about how those tasks are depending on each other. An example we have got in that one is in software development, where task A starts from there, you go to task B. From there, you go to task C. The importance of a network diagram are as follows. Number one, there is clear visualization. You are able to clearly see what you're doing. Then it is also easy to give deadlines to different tasks. And at the same time, it is very easy to allocate different resources for different tasks. Let's talk about steps for creating network diagrams. Number one, you need to list dependencies. So on that one, you need to understand the tasks and how those tasks are depending on each other. From there, you need to use circles and boxes so that you can be able to list different tasks. From there, you need to connect those particular boxes or those particular tasks using arrows. After that one, you need to identify the critical path. That is the path which can take the shortest amount of time for you to finish that particular project. Here we have got an example of a network diagram. So here is where you're starting your project. Here is where you're ending your project. Tasks are supposed to be indicated using boxes. Then these arrows, they show how those tasks are depending on each other. An example which you can give on that one is where we are saying that this particular task 3, for it to be completed, it depends on task A and task 1 and task 2 to be completed first. So when task 1 and 2 are completed, that's when task 3 is going to also be completed. The same with task 4. For it to be completed, it is depending on task 2 to be completed first. Even task 5 to be completed, it is depending on task 3 and 4 to be completed. So that is what we need to understand on this network diagram. Let's talk about best practices for managing dependencies. Number one, you should be able to automate your network diagram. So on that one, you can use things like Trello and Asana. These are softwares. From there, you need to make sure that you are revising those dependencies regularly. And at the same time, you need to ensure that you minimize overlaps of different tasks in a project. From there, you need to ensure that there is good communication. So team members are supposed to clearly understand the way those tasks are depending on each other. Thank you very much.